guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you all of the makeup products that I emptied in the past couple of months, and I'm going to be sharing my mini reviews about each of them. So all of these products I purchased from Amazon on amazing discounts, and yet again Amazon is running a huge sale on their website and on their app, which is their mega fashion sale, and the discounts that they have are amazing. They have some really great offers running, and the best part is that their delivery service is very fast. They have an easy return policy, and they also have this amazing feature called virtual try on, where you can try beauty products virtually before buying them, so that you know whether or not the particular shade suits your skin or not. And that's exactly how I purchase all of my lipsticks and everything from Amazon. So do take advantage of the virtual try on feature on Amazon. Do take advantage of their sale and purchase all of your favorite fashion and beauty items on great discounts. So without any further ado, let me quickly start showing you all of the makeup products that I emptied. So the first product that I have is this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. And as you can see, I've hit pan on this one, and before I could completely use it up, it expired. So even after this expired, I still kept using this for 2 to 3 months. But after that, I was like, you know what, I really need to think about my skin before I'm being all conjuice and trying to finish off my product. So that's when I stopped using it. I just wish I was able to complete this entire thing up. They give you so much of product, and all you need is just a tiny bit of it to apply on your face to get that amazing coverage. So it's got a very beautiful coverage. It's a very affordable, good quality powder foundation. If you're not into wearing liquid foundations, they should definitely go for this. The coverage is good. It's gonna cover up most of the blemishes, even it's gonna help you cover up the dark circles even, and yeah, it just makes your skin look beautiful overall. It's really easy to apply. It also comes with this sponge tip applicator on the bottom. So overall, it's a very good powder foundation, a very affordable one. And the best part is that the packaging is all rose gold and it looks so classy. The second product that I finished off is this Miss Claire Pearl Eyeliner in the shade Black. Now I literally used up every bit of this eyeliner. That is how much I like it. Firstly, it's jet black, it's completely matte, it's long lasting, and secondly, I really like the wand, the brush applicator. It's such a nice, precise brush, and it's very easy to work with, and even the upper part of the brush, it's very easy to hold. I don't know what you call this, but it's very easy to hold, and it's very easy to get that grip and everything. So overall, it's a very beginner friendly, a very nice everyday eyeliner that you can use, a very affordable one. It's smudge proof and it's water resistant, and it stays on for a really long time as well. Next up, I have this Miss Claire waterproof extra soft kohl pencil. It's a retractable kajal, and as you can see, I finished the entire thing up. So it's a good kajal overall. It's black, and in just one swipe you get that opaque pigment. However, it's not really smudge proof or waterproof, so that's something that you need to keep in mind. But other than that, it's a good everyday kajal, and it's really good if you like to smoke out and smudge out your kajal. It's very easy to blend. Next up, I have this Colorbar waterproof eyeliner. Again, this is a very good eyeliner. I really love this handle that you hold the brush with, and again, the brush is very stiff. It's not like one of those brushes which has bristles, but it's just solid. It's just stiff, and it's very easy to create that sharp wing with the help of this. That is how the brush looks like. Very easy to work with. So if you want a lot of precision and control over your eyeliner, if you want a very sharp winged eyeliner, this is an eyeliner that you definitely need to check out. It's smudge proof, waterproof, and it's extremely matte. It dries down to the most matte finish, and it's very long lasting as well. The next product that I have is this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I have literally used every bit of this product, and I've abused this product so much that, can you see that sponge? It literally came off. It's That is how much I used it. So it's a great concealer for any occasion. You can use it for an everyday basis, you can use it occasionally for wedding functions, for parties, for festivals. You can basically use it at any point of time. It's that concealer that you just need this one concealer in your bag and you will be sorted. You don't need any other concealer. It's that kind of a concealer. It gives you a medium to full coverage. You can layer it up twice, and it literally covers up all of your dark circles, makes your under eyes look all brightened up. And even if you have aged skin, if you have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, this does not emphasize all of that. So it's a great concealer for aged skin as well. I can just keep going on and on about this concealer. इतनी तारीफ कर सकती हूँ मैं इस concealer की. But if you find your shade in this one, definitely try this out. Next up, I emptied this Bioderma Sensor H2O. Now this is my favorite makeup remover of all times. I have used so many others, and some of them sort of make my skin a little sensitive and red. Some of them cause acne, and some of them are just a little blah. They don't really remove all of that makeup, like every bit of it, so well. But this one does everything right. It removes all of that makeup, even waterproof makeup, in one single go. It's so gentle on the skin. Even if I have acne, it sort of calms my skin down and soothes my skin. Does not make it red or irritated or inflamed or anything like that. Instead, it provides a very soothing effect on the skin, and it's so good. It's like the best makeup remover out there, especially if you have sensitive or acne prone skin. You definitely need to try this out. It has absolutely no side effects, and rather it acts as a good skincare product while being a makeup remover as well. So if you try this out, if you start using this is definitely going to become your holy grail makeup remover, I promise. Next up, I have this Maybelline Baby Lips Alia Loves New York lip balm. And this is in the variant Manhattan Mauve, and it's so pigmented. It's that perfect plum pink color, and I managed to finish the entire thing up. I can still give you a slight little swatch. थोड़ा सा अभी भी बाहर निकल रहा है, but can you see how pigmented that is? That's like extremely pigmented for a lip balm, and yeah, that's the reason why I ended up using this up completely. Usually tinted lip balms मैं इतने use नहीं करती हूँ, but do you see how beautiful that is? That's the reason why I finished this up. So it gives you that nice color on your lips while hydrating your lips, and it hydrates your lips for a really long time, like up to like 6 to 7 hours. तो मुझे देखने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. I don't even have to worry about reapplication unless I eat something. That is how moisturizing this is. So if you're looking for a good tinted lip balm, you should definitely try this one out. It's affordable, it's good, and it looks beautiful on the lips. Next up, I have two eyelash glues with me. So the first one is this Pack Lash Fixer, and I absolutely love this one. So when you apply it on your lashes, it comes out in the form of a blue color, something that looks a little unicorn blue. And once it dries, once you apply it on your eyes, and once the glue dries, it dries into a transparent finish. So the glue is not really visible. None of the whiteness of the glue or the blueness of the glue is visible after this dries. So that's the best part about it. And it does make my eyelashes stay until I remove them. So it does make your eyelashes long lasting as well. So overall, it's a great lash glue to try out. And I also love the applicator. It's got this very thin patla sa brush applicator, so it's very easy to apply it on your lashes. And the second eyelash glue that I managed to finish off is this Ardell Lash Grip. Now this doesn't really dry down transparent. It dries into... Now this doesn't really dry down transparent. It's got this white color that it comes out it, and it dries in that same white color. So you have to like go in with a very thin eyeliner, a thin black eyeliner on top of this. But other than that, it's a very long lasting eyelash glue. It's more long lasting than the pack one, but I still prefer the pack one because I find it a little more easy to apply, and the fact that it dries down transparent is the best part. Now coming to lipsticks, I have quite a bunch of them. So I'm gonna start off with Lakme. So I have this Lakme Enrich Lip Crayon. This is in the shade 01 Berry Red. It's a very beautiful red color, and I did not finish off the entire thing, but I was able to finish quite a lot of the lipstick. I think itni si size hoti hai, and I was able to finish almost half of it, and now it has expired. But nevertheless, it's a very beautiful lipstick, a very everyday college wala lipstick that you can apply. You have to go in like twice or thrice to achieve that opaque pigment, but it's a very comfortable lipstick to wear. I have two liquid lipsticks again by Lakme. So these are their matte melt liquid lipsticks, and the shades that I have are called 07 Mild Mauve and 03 Vintage Pink, and that is how they look like. So again, I used quite a lot of both of these lipsticks, but I wasn't really able to finish the entire thing off because now they have expired and I cannot really use them again. But other than that, they are very, very comfortable on the lips. Like if you've ever applied liquid matte lipsticks, you know how drying they are for the lips, but these are not at all drying. They have a very comfortable texture on the lips, and they're literally like normal bullet lipsticks in a melted form. That is how they are. They are not liquidy, they are sort of thick, and they do not really dry down your lips or anything like that. And you almost need 2 applications to get that opaque pigment on your lips, and these come in very beautiful shades as well. The vintage pink color is like my lips but better for me. It's a very beautiful pinky nude color for me. And mild mauve is also sort of a my lips but better color, but it's a little on the mauvey side. It's a little on the smoky eyes ke saath jo lipstick pehante hain, that kind of a lipstick. But vintage pink is a very beautiful color. Next up, I have this Maybelline lipstick with me. This is their powder matte lipstick in the shade Honey Cherry. Now this one I finished the entire thing off. Can you see that? I literally used the entire thing. It's a very beautiful color, and abhi if I like try to give you the swatch, abhi I'm able to swatch it a little bit, and that is how it looks like. It's such a beautiful plum red color. I finished this off by using it so frequently during the evening time. It's a very beautiful evening lipstick. You can literally pair it off with any eye makeup look, be it a very subtle eye, be it no eye makeup look, or with bold eyes. This looks beautiful with all sorts of eye makeup looks, and it also goes with all outfits. It's suitable for all skin tones as well, so it's one of those universally flattering shades, and it just looks so beautiful. As you can see, it's got that powder matte texture, so when you apply it, it applies creamily and sets into a powder matte finish. Very comfortable on the lips, but if you have very dry lips, you can apply a lip balm underneath maybe. And it's super duper pigmented. In just one single swipe, you'll get that opaque rich color. Next up, I have Three Faces lipsticks. These are their All Time Pro liquid matte lipsticks, and the shades that I have are called 06 Berry Boost, then we have 04 Pink Promise, and my favorite one, that is 01 Nude Truffle. Now these are literally very liquidy, and when you apply them, they come out in the form of a tinted water, and that is how they apply on the lips. They are a little bit drying, so you want to go in with the lip balm first, but other than that, they look very beautiful, and they are sort of comfortable on the lips. But you want to like apply them like 2 to 3 times to get that good color payoff, because the wand of this is not something that picks up a lot of color, so you have to go in like 2 to 3 times. You have to like dip in the product and keep going it on your lips to get that proper intensity of color. But apart from that, they all look very beautiful. This Nude Truffle is my favorite color, and that is how it looks like. There is barely anything left in these tubes. I used almost everything of these lipsticks, and there's barely anything left. But I really enjoyed using them, and that's why I was able to finish them up. So the cart is empty, and those are all of the makeup products that I managed to empty in the past few months, and I really enjoyed using all of them. They're all really good. They perform so well. They're all affordable, and the best part is that from Amazon mega fashion sale, you'll be able to get them on some really good discounts, and even better amazing offers than what I purchased them from. So definitely check out Amazon for their sale. You can check out their website or their app and grab your favorite items at huge discounts. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments below which are your favorite makeup products that you have managed to empty, and in case if you have used any of these products, do let me know how they work out for you. And also if you have any video requests for me, do leave them in the comments as well. I would definitely love creating more videos for you all. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that right away. Also follow me on Instagram. The direct link is mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.